Hello friends, welcome to Canal YouTube channel. Today I am starting a new series Android app for beginners. In the first tutorial I will explain you how to use TextView in Android. Now the question arises, what is TextView? A TextView is a user interface element that displays text to the user. So now here we will use the TextView in the activity main.xml. Here we will use TextView. Here are the important attributes of the text view: layout width, layout height. Here we add the text. Now we will display the text in the center. We will use text align center. It is center. Now here we will add the constraint to the text view. Let's change the size of the text view. Now here we will add the text style bold. We can change the color of the text view by using the text color attribute. We can change the style of the text view, bold to italic. Here we are using the italic text style. After that we will add the ID. We can add the background color of the text view. Here we add the background color of the text view. Now we will test the app. Here is the output. Text view in Android. Here we use all the important attributes of the text view. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more further tutorial. In the second tutorial Android app for beginners, I will explain you how to use the image view. So thank you friends.